The rumors are true. I have spent $60,000 on this whole operation of purchasing inventory and paying people to purchase inventory for me over the last 10 days. And in this video, I'm going to break down exactly what I did, why I did it, and if it was a good choice or not. Without further ado, cut to the intro. All right, guys, so over the last 10 days, what I've done is I've basically put together this whole operation. I've had people, fly to different cities. I've flown 2 people to Los Angeles. I flew someone to Dallas, Texas. I recruited a lot of people. Some of you guys might be watching this video because I found out this product was selling for a lot. I'll put one of the products here that is selling for a lot. And so this is what it's selling for on Amazon. And I was able to get this product for about $100 at, I'm not even going to say what store it's at. Maybe in the future I'll reveal it. But right now it is still currently going on. So this is a very exciting time. I'm not sure when this video is going to be released, but just know that this is a crazy opportunity. And I saw how big of an opportunity this was. So what I did was I just decided, you know what? I'm going to take a ton of money from my bank account and I'm just going to pour it into this. So I probably spent anywhere, I need to run numbers, but anywhere from 50,000 plus on inventory. And then in addition to that, I paid people to get the inventory, I paid for travel, and I really just went hard with this whole operation. I wanted to see if I could prove the concept of, there's these retail arbitrage people that have what's called BOLOs, and that is be on the lookout for. And it's weird products that sell, let's say, I don't know why I picked this up, but Canon. Let's say Canon is currently selling, it won't focusing on my face. Let's say this is selling for, I don't know, $14 and you can get it in the store for $2, and let's say it sells 1,000 times every single day. So that's great. You can go out and you can find this product, and if you find a lot of the product, you're going to make a lot of money. But for me, I was thinking, what if I could prove that I could build a team to do this for me? And every time an opportunity comes around like this, I can just fly everyone out. We can buy the product. And the really exciting thing about this product is we're not even shipping it to Amazon FBA. What we're doing is we're merchant fulfilling it. So we are selling this product the same day we're purchasing it, and we're seeing it sell through. We haven't sold 100% of the product yet. That's why it's causing me anxiety. Anytime you spend $50,000 on inventory, you're going to have a lot of anxiety, when you sleep at night, especially if you've never done this before. But I wanted to prove that I could take money, and more importantly, not just money, but leverage other people to really scale this. The problem with retail arbitrage, in my opinion, is you have to go to the store, you have to scan products. I personally hate retail arbitrage. I don't like scanning shit in stores. I like books because books are simple. You go into a bookstore, you go into a thrift store, and you scan all the books. It makes a noise if it's good. I use ScoutIQ on my phone. I put headphones on. I can scan books all day. That's what I prefer. But with retail arbitrage, you're going to clearance sections. It's fucking weird. Sometimes people look at you weird. They look at you like you're stealing product because you have like 20 different, tampons in your cart that you're going to be trying to sell on Amazon, and people just look at you weird. If you come across a weird product that you're purchasing, and it's not that I don't like being looked at weird, it's not my thing. But knowing that I can get the product for dirt cheap prices, better than any wholesale prices, or the cheapest you're going to get a product is when it's on clearance at a store or whenever there's like a weird dynamic going on. It's going to be always cheaper in the store than it is online, 99% of the time. Online arbitrage is great, but inside the store you can get deals that don't exist on the internet. You don't have to pay for shipping, so your profit margins are much bigger. So what I wanted to do with this whole thing, and the reason why I spent so much money, was I wanted to prove that because now I'm very connected with the community, whenever I find out about a product that not a lot of people know about, and I know it's all over the country in different stores, I can get a team together and I can fly them to different cities. I can have them drive to different cities, and I can really prove this concept of purchasing product, hustling hard, and having people hustle for me. And I've paid some people $3,000 for like 7 days of work, so they're happy because they're getting paid well, and I'm happy because they're finding good product for me. So I just wanted to share this video because I wanted to document this part of my journey. I've been working on a lot of different projects. You know, restrictedinventory.com has been great. I'm doing book automation where I start book businesses for people. If you guys are interested in having me start a book business for you, email me at info@restrictedinventory.com. We still have a few spots open, but we are going to close that out soon. Maybe even by the time you're watching this video, that will be temporarily closed. But if you email us book automation, you want me to build a book business for you, then what we'll do is we'll store your information. And whenever we open the program again, we'll give you information and we'll let you know, hey, you can invest now. But I've been doing that. I've been working on wholesale. I've been building a listing software for booksellers. So I've been doing a lot. I've been very busy, but this opportunity came about, and just to let you know, like, I have all those other opportunities to work on. I'm very busy, but I still decided it was worth it to spend $50,000-$60,000 on product, plus paying for people's flights and everything. And yeah, we'll see how it goes. Follow me on my journey. You'll get updates on here on YouTube and also Instagram, Facebook. So be sure, if you want behind the scenes content, be sure to be on Instagram. I post on my story. I rant a lot, so you guys will see, you know, how this went overall for me. We sold yesterday was $8,000. I think $8,000 worth, and we're already at $3,200 today. So things are going well. And for this product specifically, we're only paying, I think it comes out to like $3 max is what we're paying for this. So it's been a lot of fun. Hit that like button, comment, subscribe. Let me know your thoughts in the video. Let me know if you like content like this. Let me know if you think I'm crazy for doing this. Without further ado, I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.